So just before going to bed last night, I received another $2,000 payment. And this one actually is worth even more than 2,000 right now because it came in Bitcoin, as you can see right here. So take a look. I'm not sure if the screen is tilted right now, but as you can see here today at 2:41 a.m., 0.01 blah, 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 blah Bitcoin, which when it came in, it was like 2,000. Now it's worth 2,066. Now this is one of many, many payments that I've already received since the beginning of the year, 2023. Let me just refresh this. This is my shopping cart. Now, not everything here is commission payments, but the majority of it is. And as you can see, I'm already at $18,886.86. That's a lot of eights and sixes. So let's take a look at this week. This week, already close to $10,000 as far as payments. Now, let me ask you this. By the way, if we've never met, my name is David Dekel. I run affiliate promotions, and actually you can leverage one of my affiliate marketing funnels to get plugged in and start promoting products that you can actually earn 100% commissions on. And that is actually my question to you. If you are an affiliate marketer or you're trying to get into affiliate marketing or you're promoting anything online right now, you're maybe driving free traffic or paid traffic, whatever type of traffic you're running right now, are you keeping, this is an important question, are you keeping 100% of whatever commissions come in? Think about that. If you're not, then I can tell you right now from experience, I've been in this industry for close to 8 years now, or right around 8 years, you're doing it wrong. You're just doing it wrong. If you're only getting paid 50% commissions or 20% commissions or 30% commissions or anything less than 100, you're just doing it wrong. And that's probably the reason why you maybe haven't been getting the types of results that you want to get. And if you're already taking the time to drive traffic to whether it's free traffic or paid traffic, and by the way, I'm doing all of this with 100% free traffic, completely free traffic. I have 2 traffic sources that I use. And here's how you can actually discover how you can use these traffic sources as well. I'm actually hosting a webinar, a couple of them this week. And what I want you to do is click the link below, and you're basically going to be able to, step number 1 is check out the webinar. It's really important that you understand exactly how this works, because what I'm doing here is I'm promoting software programs. I like to use software to get leads. I like to use software to track my promotions. I like to use software to webinars and things, to do webinars and things like this. So basically, the big reason why I believe this promotion has been so successful so far is because it's all based around automation, which is what everybody wants right now. So step number 1, click the link below and go check it out. Check out the software, check out exactly how everything works. It's going to answer all your questions. What type of commissions can you earn? What products we're promoting? How can you generate leads and all of that? Step 2 is once you check out the different levels, what I want you to do is pick the level that makes most sense to you with the software that makes most sense to you and activate it, because what's going to happen is a few things. Number 1, there's a promotion right now where whichever level you activate, you actually get bumped to the next level. So example, if you activate the 2K level, you can actually get bumped to the 4K level to be able to earn commissions up to $4,000. If you activate the 4K level, you can actually get bumped up to the 6K level, so you can earn up to $6,000 commissions. And it's 100% commissions, by the way. All the product sales go to you. Essentially, once you're qualified at that specific level, it goes to you. Now, the next thing is this. When you activate it, you're actually going to get access to some specific bonuses where I actually help you run the promotion by doing basically the work myself. I'm the one that runs the webinars. I'm the one that gives out the bonuses to your members. I'm the one that basically deals with all the videos, the web pages, all the tech stuff. Everything is done by me. You just basically need to send some traffic exactly the way I show you, which is, by the way, step number 3, send traffic exactly the way I show you. So if you're interested to learn more, and if you're interested in doing affiliate marketing the right way, where you get to keep 100% of the commissions for yourself on products that you never had to lift a finger to create, and we're talking about software programs here, stuff that's like really hot right now, and it's going to stay hot for a while because automation is where everything is going. So you want to click the link below and go check it out. And basically, once you're in there, pay close attention on the webinar on what I share with you and the secrets that I share with you there, because that's exactly the stuff that I'm doing right now that's generating these types of results. So go ahead, click the link below. And before I wrap up this video, I want to mention one more thing. I am currently running a giveaway for a 3-night hotel stay in Miami. And if you want to win, that's an $800 value. If you want to potentially win this, just leave a comment down below, first of all, on what's your biggest question on affiliate marketing. Number 2, hit the like button on this video. And number 3, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tick the bell icon. I want to invite you to the next live stream that I'm doing. You probably have some questions for me right now. David, what about this? What about that? I have a live stream that I do for subscribers of this channel, but you got to be subscribed and you got to have the bell notification ticked off. And I'm going to invite you to it once you subscribe, so you can come ask me questions, whatever you got for me, whether it's about traffic, conversions, anything. I usually host them on Mondays, Monday evenings, and I want to invite you to the next one. So make sure you subscribe below. Then what you want to do is, just below this video in the video description, the second link is going to take you to the giveaway where you can actually enter your name. So if you're a winner, you're potentially basically going to get the email confirming that, and you got to get the hotel stay right to your email. So go ahead, complete these now, and I'll see you inside the funnel in just a few minutes. Talk to you soon, and hopefully I'll see you on the live stream on the next one, and you can ask me questions and I can help you live. All right, go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you on the next video in just a minute. Talk to you soon. Bye.